I'm going to tell you the fastest way to make money online and how to do it quickly. So save this video for future reference and make sure to follow for more tips. A lot of people want to make money online and they don't want to waste a lot of time.
Stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your good time.
And I get it. Having worked online for 6 years, I understand the frustration of hearing about this thing called the internet and that you can make money online and not being able to do it or scale it as fast as possible.
2 words: entrepreneurship.
So I'm going to give you a pro tip that probably not many people out there are going to tell you because, quite frankly, there's a lot of scammers on the internet. The fastest way to make money online if you are in Kenya is by learning a skill. Listen, hear me out. I know that does not sound fashionable, it doesn't sound sexy, but hear me out. Learning a skill is the best thing you can do for yourself because it helps you avoid scams. That's number one. Recently, Kenyans lost over, I don't know how many billions in shillings to some guys who were claiming to be, Bitcoin investors. And the reason for this is because people don't understand how Bitcoin works. You haven't learned a skill. There was another scam a while ago, and it was called public likes, where somebody came and told you that you could make money just by clicking on some random ads on the internet. That's not a skill. You need to understand that there are so many things that you could do online. There's transcription, there's affiliate marketing, there's blogging, there's vlogging, there's all these things, but they all require a level or a certain degree of a digital skill. If you don't have a skill, listen, even your favorite influencers, the ones that you see probably dancing on TikTok and doing all these kinds of fun things on the internet, those people have learned the art of creating content. They have learned how to edit. Before somebody gets to a point where they have a team, they have learned how to edit videos. If you don't know how to edit videos, you don't have to be, a guru. You can start on your phone. My partner and I created a YouTube channel up to more than 10,000 subscribers, and we got started with just our phone. So listen, learning a skill is important because another thing that you're doing for yourself is that you are going to be investing in yourself. You can always lose money, but you cannot lose a skill. Nobody can take it away from you. So if you want to learn digital skills that can help you make money, make sure to check out the rest of our videos and make sure to follow for more tips.